Gatho munene undu wa gucoka kairetu ga Samido na Gacheri women rep kuria county ya Kirinyaga makorwo magitiga andu magegete nundu wa ndeto ciege miturire yao mauburania no before twaria ici makiria tekera to turn on your notification na gukorwo ugi subscribe. Honorable Jerry is among the youngest MPs tukire na uguku bururi-ini na koretwa kiamukirwo na wendo munene makiria ni a Kenya aria ni itungati, and she has surprised fans ake na ndeto ciegi muturire wake makiria aria makoretwo makienda kumenya kana hihi ni akiri mundu. Gacheri arauga at the moment she can only sing na goro kiuga music you always be my first love, who knows maybe sooner or later I'll find my way back to you. Ni kaundu ga gutumite andu meciririe kana hihi ni kulauncha kwendaga gukilauncha ndeto ici cikegi muturire wake wa wendo, but all in all agikorwo kiuga wekiria kira mutongoria ngoro at the moment ni rwimbo, but together na fans ake turenda athie na mbere na gutongoria andu akuria Kirinyaga na korwo kimarutira wira wega atigire nyimbo. Samido, talking of Samido, his first born daughter Charlene seems to be heading direction ya career ino ya fafa wake. Charlene atiga fans ake na gikeno kinene riria akorwo agipost caption shiganona showing off her dad's music career. Some of her fans makorwo makimu encourage muno makimwira na akiakorwo akiingira biacara-ini iyo ya music na Charlene kaundu onekana gukorwo agitikira akiuga it is a good idea, definitely we cannot wait kuona what she comes up with. Tondu ni akionekana ni direction arathie na mbere na gukumbatiria kumana na encouragement iria agikorwo akiamukira kumana na fans ake. Both Jerry na Charlene tukamedithiria all the very best, ona ni ndirakwendithiria all the very best. Make sure ni turn on your notification or subscribe niguo ndukahitũkwo ni ndeto citũ. Tucemanie na next one.